Well, good morning everybody. It is currently about 5:30 in the morning. I am on the backside of Breckenridge and I am about to hike Quandary Peak. So let's go ahead and get to it.
Waiting for your knock on the door, you'll be on your way to my place, boy. Never get enough, I don't know how. All I need is your touch. When the new moon's falling tonight, from the sky you won't stop calling. And my name is your anthem, baby, you make me prepare like a panther. 101, am I looking for the big fun? All I want is to get down. 101, am I looking for the big fun? With nobody but your body. 101, am I looking for the big fun? All I want is to get down. 101, I wanna get down. With nobody but your body.
Guys, had such an epic day. Went to Quandary today, hiked all the way to the top, met some new Billy Goat friends. It was pretty freaking awesome. I mean, Colorado's just got so much to offer, you know? I mean, there's so much going on. There's things that we can do. I just love it. Hey! Well, glad we finally got rid of that guy. We did hike Quandary Peak today, which is out near Breckenridge. But we are back here in Denver, and that is one of the amazing things about Colorado, is that we have this awesome city that is right next door to all these great things that we can do in nature. But tonight we're going to head to a place called Avanti, which is a kind of food truck meets brewery tap house area. It's really awesome. So let's check it out. Well guys, another jam-packed day. We actually had some change of plans, so we went to a brewery that we had never been to, Prost Brewing in Denver. Awesome, great selection of all German beers. Very unique. Then instead of going to Avanti, we actually went to the Atomic Cafe, which is kind of a mix of 3 different restaurants at any given point in time in the day. So they have a brunch spot, kind of a lunch spot, really awesome. But that is it for tonight. So we will be seeing you in the morning for another day of adventure tomorrow. Well, we are here today in Golden Canyon State Park. I think I said that right.
Golden Gate Canyon.
Golden Gate Canyon State Park.
Like San Francisco, only in Colorado.
It's gonna be a pretty awesome day. So we're gonna show you what that's like, right? Meow. Another weekend here in the books in Colorado. It was pretty quick, but we tried to pack it with a lot. I just got home back here at my house in Denver. Next weekend's gonna be super, super awesome. July 4th, we're gonna be doing a lot. Got a lot packed for the weekend. Gonna be seeing some pretty awesome things in Southern Colorado. So if you like what I'm doing, go ahead and crush that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share all this with your friends. We're gonna be doing this Colorado Summer Series for the next 4 to 6 weeks, showcasing all of what Colorado has to offer. So we will be seeing you on the next adventure.